information stored in our DNA can actually be brought into day-to-day life. We are not going to test anything that is not useful. We don't have to propose anything to people which doesn't provide any solution. This is solution. And likewise, जैसे exercise का time एक important चीज है, 210 अलग-अलग points है जो एक report में से बन सकते हैं या पता चल सकता है. And is it going to be useful for only one person in the family जिसको diabetes या cardiac है? Only one member of the family? No, it's important for everyone. It's important for the lady because she may have some other health concern. It's important for the kids because they need to develop their body well. That's why we are going to discuss about DNA testing for entire family. And there is a very wonderful connection between genes and food, which we are going to discuss today. Now, what is this DNA quickly? Since Stan has mentioned that we'll keep it quick. What is this DNA? The DNA is something that we get from our parents. आधा फादर से आएगा, आधा मदर से आएगा. इंटरेस्टिंग चीज ऐसी कि जब आधा आधा आता है, दोनों आधी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं देते. हर एक फीचर के लिए दोनों एक जैसी इंफॉर्मेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आर हेयर कलर, आई कलर, स्किन कलर, हर एक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक के लिए एक एक जीन हमारे फादर ने भी दिया, एक एक जीन हमारी मदर ने भी दिया. तो अगर किसी की आंखें ब्लैक है तो दोनों पेरेंट्स ने ऐसे जीन्स दिए कि फाइनल कलर ब्लैक. अगर किसी की आंखें ब्लू है तो दोनों पेरेंट्स से ब्लू कलर की जीन आई है, इसलिए ब्लू कलर. अगर एक पेरेंट ने ब्लैक कलर का जीन दिया है और दूसरे ने ब्लू कलर का जीन दिया है, तो क्या एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे आप? एक आंख ब्लैक रहेगी, एक ब्लू रहेगी? That's not what you expect. What you expect is that there is going to be a mixture of black and blue, right? Fine. So whatever we have obtained today from our parents, it's always going to be a mixture of what we have got from. So if your father was very strong and he didn't have any cholesterol issues, but unfortunately mother had, and we have got that gene, because of that mother's gene we will start having cholesterol issues. Though father's gene was very strong, and vice versa. So do we do the genetic test to blame our parents? No, we can't do, because they cannot unfortunately control what gene they are going to pass. But yes, this is what we come to know. Hence, there are a lot of secrets. Other important thing, in spite of knowing what you get from your parents, we are still unique. ये combinations हमें मिलते हैं, ये ऐसे मिलते हैं कि they become unique for you. 210 जीन के पैरामीटर जब रिपोर्ट बनता है, तो आज तक मैंने ऐसे नहीं देखा कि किसी एक का 210 जीन का रिपोर्ट का पैरामीटर किसी दूसरे के साथ मैच किया हो. 100% कुछ ना कुछ डिफरेंसेस रहते हैं. फाइन. लाइकवाइज हमारी बॉडी में 6.5 लाख डिफरेंट जीन पॉइंट्स है. तो हम में और आपने डिफरेंट 6.5 लाख डिफरेंट जीन पॉइंट्स पे हो सकता है. दैट्स व्हाट डीएनए टेस्ट विल बी यूजिंग. सम ऑफ द फैक्टर्स दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड, जैसे सर्केडियन रिदम, यानी कौन सा एक्सरसाइज का टाइम बेहतर है. सेम टाइम कैफीन मेटाबॉलिज्म. कुछ लोगों को बहुत आदत होती है कि चलो कॉफी पी लेंगे, एक कप नहीं, 2 कप नहीं, 3 कप नहीं, 4 कप. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट गिव्स यू एनर्जी, वेट लॉस में मदद करता है. बट जेनेटिक्स कैन टेल अस दैट वेदर कैफीन इज रियली गुड फॉर यू और इट्स बैड फॉर यू. कुछ लोगों के लिए कैफीन अच्छा है क्योंकि वो वेट लॉस में मदद करता है. कुछ लोगों के लिए हार्मफुल है क्योंकि वो हार्ट से रिलेटेड तकलीफें ला सकता है. Right? At the same time, food intolerances, lactose, and there are many other food intolerances. So there are many things that we come to know. Why do we need to know all this? We need to know all this because all these genes that we carry from our parents, when they combine with the wrong environment, they may lead to diseases. So in a report, what we come to know is, we don't just come to know tendency of a disease, but we also come to know what is the solution for it. So what is that we have learned so far, or what is that we have understood so far? Nutrigenomics is the science of solution, not scaring people. सबसे important. Second, it gives you solution based on understanding of DNA on simple things such as exercise का time क्या होगा, कौन सा food suitable रहेगा, कौन सा नहीं. Third important thing, it helps you develop a diet and exercise program in such a way that those who are suffering from disease, it will help you in controlling that. And those who are not suffering from disease, it will help in avoiding that. So अगर आपके सामने कोई gentleman बैठे है, कोई lady बैठी है, and he or she is not suffering from any genetic disease, do you feel nutrigenomic test जो आप promote करें will be useful for that person? Of course it will be useful. Why? For prevention. If someone is already suffering from a disease, will the nutrigenomic test be useful? Of course it will be useful. For what? For controlling. Why? Because obesity का example ले लीजिए. जैसे एक क्लॉक जीन बता सकता है कि एक्सरसाइज का समय कौन सा सही है, क्योंकि शायद इतने दिन एक्सरसाइज का समय ठीक से फॉलो नहीं हो रहा था, इसलिए वेट लॉस नहीं कर पा रहे थे. कुछ लोग गेहूं खाते, इसकी वजह से वेट लॉस नहीं कर पाते, और इतने दिन हम लोग राइस बेचारे चावल को ब्लेम कर रहे थे. Right? We decided not to eat rice to lose weight, whereas the culprit was always wheat. So likewise, there are many other information that we come to know. So finally, nutrigenomics is nothing but a combination of understanding genetic information and understanding what changes should be made in environment. हमारा environment सिर्फ हमारी हवा नहीं है, हमारा food, हमारा lifestyle, हमारी sleep, stress, everything is our environment. Understand your genes, change your environment, and that's how all the lifestyle diseases can be controlled. This is what is called as personalization. लेकिन एक बात बिल्कुल यहाँ पे याद है, जो जैसे स्लाइड पे कि while controlling all this, if someone is already suffering from some lifestyle disease, diabetes, cardiac, PCOS, osteoporosis, and if the person is on medicine, the genetic report does not comment or does not intend to stop the medicine. Fine? Medicines let the person continue. If he is on allopathy medicine, homeopathy medicine, Ayurvedic medicine, let that person continue that. The genetic report gives you advice on the diet, exercise and lifestyle. So is it going to interfere in the doctor's treatment? No. Is it going to supplement or complement the doctor's treatment? Yes. ऐसे हजारों केसेस है जो हमने देखे कि डॉक्टर्स देन से टेल टू द पेशेंट आफ्टर द पेशेंट स्टार्ट्स कॉलिंग न्यूट्रिजेनोमिक रिपोर्ट कि अरे भाई इतने दिन तुम्हारा कोलेस्ट्रॉल ठीक नहीं था, अभी क्या हुआ जो तुम्हारा कोलेस्ट्रॉल ठीक हो गया. और तब पता चलता है कि अपोई जीन ऐसी थी कि उस पर्सन ने ओमेगा फैटी एसिड यानी फिश ऑयल के सप्लीमेंट नहीं खाने चाहिए थे जो इतने दिन बेचारा खा रहा था या खा रही थी. So based on the genetic report, that supplement was stopped and the cholesterol levels came into picture. So are we going to suggest stopping of medicines? No, they should continue. Complementing advice will be given, and that's why we say we are going to suggest eat right. Right? And this science is nothing but nutrigenomics. So quickly once again, nutrigenomics is science of information of genes. It tells us about lifestyle diseases. It doesn't tell about infectious disease. It tells about diseases that come from the body, within the body. तो बहुत अच्छी तरह बताया गया था जुर्म में. It gives us advice on two fronts: how to avoid disease and how to control disease. Is it useful for one member? No, it's useful for every member in the family. Is it going to interfere with the treatment? No, it's not going to interfere with the treatment. How authentic the science is? प्रत्युष जी ने इतनी देर explain की अच्छी तरह से कि why Hitachi? Why Hitachi? It is important because it's a quality product. It has been there for years. Fine. मराठी में कहते हैं कि ये लोकांची हिताची गोष्ट है. Fine. That is why genetics is there, because हित याने benefit. Hitachi याने for benefit. Okay. So why genetics? Because genetics comes through very solid and concrete science. ये nutrigenomics का जो report बनता है, that's not based on Dr. Amol Raut's experience. It's based on thousands of doctors and scientists who have been working for last 40 years. And 20 years back, they completed one major step of their research, and that was Human Genome Project. जिसके बेसिस पे इतने सारे जीन्स आइडेंटिफाई, जिसके बेसिस पे आज हम डाइट, एक्सरसाइज और लाइफस्टाइल के एडवाइस दे सकते हैं. आई एम ग्लैड टू मेंशन दैट सून द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, दैट इज फार्माकोजेनोमिक्स, दैट बेस्ड ऑन जीन्स which drug should be given, that report or that mechanism is already in discussion. That's something that will come. और आपको ये जान के खुशी होगी कि US FDA ने भी 170 ड्रग्स की ऐसी लिस्ट डिक्लेयर कर दी है. US FDA says that ये अगर 170 ड्रग्स देने हैं या इनमें से कोई एक देना है तो जेनेटिक टेस्ट कर लीजिए, क्योंकि इससे पता चलेगा कि ड्रग वर्क करेगा या नहीं वर्क करेगा. फाइन. जैसे साइड इफेक्ट्स होते हैं, सर दर्द होने के बाद हम में से बहुत सारे लोग अलग अलग तरीके अपनाते हैं. कुछ लोग घर से बाहर निकल के उनका सर दर्द कम हो जाता है. दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग. बट यस, व्हेन इट कम्स टू मेडिसिन, देयर आर डिफरेंट मेडिसिन. इट कुड बी पैरासिटामोल, इट कुड बी एस्पिरिन, इट कुड बी ब्रूफेन. देयर आर डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स. ये अलग अलग क्यों वर्क करते हैं? राइट? बिकॉज यू आर डिफरेंट, यू आर गोइंग टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू डिफरेंट मेडिसिन. तो वैसे जेनेटिक्स सेकंड स्टेप इज गोइंग टू बी दैट. Few examples that I would want to purposefully narrate because these are useful in discussing with the client. Acidity, क्या reasons हो सकते हैं acidity के? We are going to connect it with gene. क्या लगता है audience को? Quick. I'm going to request the audience to quickly opine on this. Lactose intolerance, very good. Wrong food, stress, very nice. Because of medicines. Okay, medicines होता है, and definitely antihypertensive से होता है. So we have got so many answers, right? Fine. I'm going to declare one more reason. Wheat, gluten. Fine. ओके तो जिन लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा एसिडिटी की तकलीफ है, जब आप क्लाइंट्स को मिलते हैं एंड द पर्सन सेज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट पर्सन्स कंसर्न, न्यूट्रिजेनोमिक क्यों करना है, इसकी हेल्थ इंप्रूव करनी है, राइट? कि आपको एसिडिटी होती है, आपको डाइजेस्टिव हेल्थ इशू होते हैं, डायबिटीज है, वेट ज्यादा है, लेट्स आस्क अ कपल ऑफ क्वेश्चन। अगर पर्सन कहते हैं कि बहुत एसिडिटी है और somehow the client is not ready to go ahead with the genetic testing, someone is not convinced, ask that person, sir ma'am आप गेहूं या वीट खाते हैं? the person says yes, एक काम कीजिए, एक हफ्ते भर के लिए गेहूं या वीट पूरी तरह बंद कर दीजिए, नो गेहूं, नो मैदा, नो रवा, नो दलिया, नो सूजी, नो बेकरी प्रोडक्ट्स, पूरी तरह बंद। और एक हफ्ते के बाद, मतलब इतना सा भी नहीं है, गिव द एग्जांपल ऑफ पोलन ग्रेन, पोलन ग्रेन कैसे इतना सा खाने के बाद मतलब कांटेक्ट में आने के इतना सा भी, एक हफ्ते के बाद दैट पर्सन विल कम टू यू से मेरा एसिडिटी तो बंद हो गया, then you have to tell that sir ma'am you it seems that you have gluten intolerance, wheat में gluten होता है जिसकी intolerance की वजह से ही होता है, you have gluten intolerance। the next question the person will ask is अब मैं क्या करूं, gluten वापस खाना शुरू करूं या ना करूं? that is the time you will have to tell sir I'll have to check your genetic basis of gluten intolerance, if you are gluten intolerant I will probably or our team will have to advise you to stop gluten permanently, if you are not gluten intolerant we might suggest you to continue, but there will be some changes made in the diet such that your acidity issues will be resolved, because your acidity issues are something due to something else. This is how we'll have to come up with solutions to the people. Now other example, cholesterol, as I mentioned, it's not that cholesterol is only because of oily food. Salads, excessive salads may also cause dyslipidemia or cholesterol imbalances, especially in ApoE4 people. Omega fatty acids, alcohol, है ना, अल्कोहल तो बैड है, सभी अल्कोहल को बैड ही कहेंगे, लेकिन मेरे कान में डिक्लेयर किया था कि E2 लोग खुशनसीब लोग हैं, 25% लोग हैं दुनिया में, राइट? These are people who are very happy, कितना भी खा ले वो कोलेस्ट्रॉल नहीं बढ़ने वाला। वैसे ही ओबेसिटी के बारे में भी होता है लोगों को कि बहुत सारा बड़ा पाव खा ले, समोसे खा ले, कचौरियां खा ले, लेकिन द पर्सन विल रिमेन थिन। बाकी बेचारे लोग मेरी जैसे हवा भी खा लेते तो वजन बढ़ने लगता है। सो द रीजन इज अपोइजेनेटिक्स। कोलेस्ट्रॉल क्यों कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा? लेट्स फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज योर जीन, हाउ टू कंट्रोल इट, especially in case of young female. There are some foods that are categorically bad. We should not stop them in a blanket manner, but some of the foods that are bad and very important to be avoided is soya bean. Okay, this is connected with genetics. Some of the women are born with a genetic programming in such a way that they cannot metabolize soya bean. Males भी है उसमें, क्योंकि soya bean में एक केमिकल होता है जिसको हम कहते हैं फाइटोएस्ट्रोजन, हार्मोन की तरह फंक्शन करता है हमारी बॉडी में जाके। It mimics human hormone estrogen. Now those females are not able to metabolize this phytoestrogen very well. होता क्या है इनमें कि ये सोयाबीन और ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें खाने की वजह से एस्ट्रोजन की लेवल बढ़ने लगती है जरूरत से ज्यादा, and then it starts causing problems such as early puberty. What is early puberty? Start of menstrual cycle at early age than expected, before teens, before 10 years, 9 years, 8 years of age. Can you imagine the stress and trauma on the young child if that happens? One of the reason is such hormonal imbalance. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कहूंगा मैं कि सोयाबीन पूरी तरह बैन कर दीजिए, लेकिन सोया मिल्क, सोया फूड, सोया प्रोडक्ट्स ब्लैंकेट मैनर में रोज खाना भी सही बात नहीं। अगर खानी है तो जेनेटिक टेस्ट। एट द सेम टाइम इफ अ लेडी हैज अ फैमिली हिस्ट्री ऑफ PCOD, some cancers and so on, it is important to find out which foods are important. उसी तरह anemia, that is weakness, it's not always because of hemoglobin, सिर्फ hemoglobin, iron या apple या ये खाने से नहीं होगा। We need right type of vitamin. Why the products are kept over here? Why there is a thought on products and water? The reason is DNA can tell so many things on which food is good, which nutrients are needed, which vitamins are required, which supplements are important, and this DNA can function as a guideline. So the overall approach objective of the company is going to be to understand a person's genetic makeup and suggest some products step by step. Fine? Just imagine out of 210 list of characters or features that we come to know from the genetic report, probably there could be one product for almost every trait of it or every characteristic. We will have such a wide range of products. There will be so many options that will be present that can help people overcome their health issues. I'll quickly stop in next couple of minutes. Infertility also, there are certain vitamins that are reason, and that's why it is needed to be. Obesity सबसे major problem इंडिया में, जब हमने genetic test किया तो almost 80% and above people in India have obesity in their genes. हमारे genes में obesity है, यानी पेट बढ़ना ये genetic है. इसका मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि हम कुछ भी खा सकते हैं, लेकिन ये स्वाभाविक है. फाइन, इसका मतलब जो कंट्रोल हमें लाना है वो बहुत ज़्यादा हायर लेवल पे लाना होगा. सिर्फ 2 टाइम खाना खाना है या खाना कम करके या ब्लैंकेट मैनर में शुगर कम के, बहुत ज़्यादा साइंटिफिक तरीके से ओबेसिटी कंट्रोल करना ज़रूरी होता है. एंड वंस अ जेनेटिक टेस्ट इज डन, देयर आर 110 different factors that we can find out which can help in controlling obesity. Fine. So if you find someone who is struggling on obesity, this is what. Same is with nutrient deficiencies. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, all these nutrients also will come to know whether a person needs those vitamin, not just vitamin but which type. जैसे vitamin B हुआ, उसमें भी 2 type होते हैं, B9, active B9 and regular B9. So which type is important. Skin related issues. There are many people who suffer from rashes, acne, pimples. You will be surprised to know gluten is also a reason for acne. Pimples are young बच्चों में या लोगों में. Gluten is a reason for that. Oily food is a reason for that. So that all. So likewise, there are many other health conditions. I think we'll not go into the details of it because we have already overshot the time. But yes, there are few examples you can certainly cite. There are various people in the world who have definitely used genetics. One of them, I'm glad to mention that Amir Khan's case was one of them. Amir Khan, when he wanted to prepare for Dangal, he underwent this genetic test. We have done that genetic test. We helped him understand that how he gains weight, it should not create cholesterol and sugar issue. And then once he has gained weight, how to lose weight quickly so that he can come back in his shape. Immunity, genetics can also tell us about immunity, how to strengthen immunity. कोई भी चीज उठा के मत खाइए. जीन्स के बेसिस पे कौन से ऑप्शंस है फूड के, कौन से न्यूट्रिएंट्स के, वो डिसाइड किए जा सकते हैं. And hence the immunity mechanism can be personalized. How it is done? I think everyone knows that what we need is a simple saliva sample to do that. Once the saliva sample is picked up, then the sample goes to the lab, the report is generated, and then there is a detailed consultation given by counselors. There are wonderful counselors available in the team. They are absolutely expert in this field. They take sweet time of 1 hour, 1.5 hour, a lot of time to explain the person who has undergone the genetic test what is use of it. Right? These are few glimpses of the labs that we have gone through. I am glad to mention that the lab where the testing will be done comes with all government accreditations. The lab has been functional for 14 years. All the team members have been involved, including myself. We have been involved in different research projects. There is a research project that we are recently doing which is on yoga and gene expressions. Yoga अच्छा है हम जानते हैं, लेकिन योगा हमारी जीन्स को स्विच ऑन और ऑफ कर सकता है. और वर्ल्ड में सबसे पहली बार ये रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट इंडिया में हो रहा है. I'm glad to mention we are doing it. I'm one of the investigators of that project. And soon after December, the project report will be published and we'll come to know how yoga actually triggers some good genes on and good genes, bad genes off. And the same happens when we consume bad or right food. When you consume right food, good genes are switched on. When you consume bad food, good genes are switched off. And what is good and bad for you, your genes has already decided. But do we know that today? No, we don't know. How will we come to know? We'll come to know by genetic test. Who needs nutrigenomic testing? Person who is suffering from lifestyle disease or person who is not suffering. One who is suffering to control, one who is not suffering to avoid. That means that almost everyone is actually the right candidate for nutrigenomic test. The only important thing that we need to know is that it's a solid science, credible science, backed up by right people, and most importantly, it's useful to each and every individual.